Egocentric means we always think about ourselves, not from others. Is it? We always think of ourselves. We are in a selfish nature. So current capitalist economy is egocentric. Everyone is structured, everyone is satisfied their individual needs. So we have to remove this selfish nature. We have to think of the entire ecosystem. How? The environmental ethics will show us, environmental ethics will teach us how we can develop our inner self. Then what really needed is our deeper shift in our consciousness. That means we have to realize ourself, our oneself, that how we can concentrate, how we can cooperate with others. The concern for development is needed. This development will happen when we, how we think and how we act in our environment. So now let us know what is environmental ethics. So environmental ethics, if you are from a philosophy background, then you have already taken ethics. So environmental ethics is a philosophical discipline. It is a philosophical discipline that considers the moral and ethical relationship. That means environmental ethics will teach us how we can develop our ethical relationships with nature, with environment. It provides ethical justification and moral motivation for the cause of global environmental protection. It plays a vital role in society. How it plays? Two important questions arises in our mind. That is ecological balance and ecological imbalance. So, environmental ethics plays a vital role, plays an important role for a society by solving the environmental problems. So, environmental ethics believes that humans are the part of society, not only humans, as well as other living creatures, which includes plants and animals. So, environmental ethics is also known as the global ethics, which describes about the global perspectives. It helps to define moral and ethical obligations towards environment and the kind of decisions people have to make about the environment. Regarding, there are many questions arises in our mind. What questions? Should you cut the trees? Should you harm the other species? All these questions always arises in our mind, is it? So all these questions, should we cut the trees for development of human beings? So all these questions will arise in our mind, where environmental ethics will help us to solve these questions for further stopping the destructions of the environment. So what will our aim in our life? What will be the aim in our life? What environmental ethics has taught us? Just now I have said that we have to think about ourselves, not only think of ourselves, but also for entire ecosystem. So environmental ethics will teach us about the transformation from Z to C. Z means ego. We have our ego, so we have to transform our ego to C. C means ego. Ego means the entire ecosystem. So from our self, inner self, we have to transform from Z to C and develop our ecological consciousness and self-realization. When we develop our inner self, then only we can think about others. Is it okay? So this is one deep ecology. It's a part of environmental ethics. Just now I have said that environmental ethics main reason is that environmental ethics helps us to solve environmental problems. In the same way, deep ecology is one part of environmental ethics, which is considered as the remedy. Remedy means when we are always fall ill, then we used to take medicines. So environmental ethics, like environmental ethics, deep ecology is the part where it is used as a remedy to turn down environmental crisis. So if we are falling ill, then